Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tehzeeb sir and today we are going to learn my dear students new concept. How to draw a circle with the compass. But this topic we are going to learn in next session. First of all, here we recall what we have done in previous session. So first of all, let's check here what we have done in the previous sessions. We have done in last lecture. Okay, my dear, so I hope you all know what we have done in last session. So in last session we have done the circle. In circle we have done parts of the circle. Naming the parts of the circle, sorry. Naming the parts of the circle. Understood my dear students? Put my point solved. Okay, so these all things we have done in last session. Put my points my dear students. So I am going to here draw the all things we have to write it down. Okay, with me my dear students. We are going to learn this all things here. And one more three things I am doing here. One more circle. Okay, and you must use the rounder or any objects to draw the circle, my dear. Okay, if you are using that time a bangle means what? Bangle or any round shape objects. Okay dear, we are going to draw this all things. Put my points my dear students. What I am telling you here. So this is a circle and we have to make an equal line. What we have to make? We have to make an equal line. My point solved. Then after here, okay, so we have to write this all things are all observed. But my points my dear students, what I am telling you here. So it's the diameter. And the radius. Okay, it's the radius. Here, in this red part, it's the radius. It's the red part we call a radius. Okay, my dear students. It's a radius, and then after my dear students, what we have missing here is the circumferences. So this circle wall Okay, circumference. What my point? Circumference, my dear students. Okay, what my point? Circumference. Circumference. It's the radius, and purple line or this blue it's called a diameter, and red a wall, a circle wall, it's called a circumference. Got my point, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. And here we give the name only. Here we give the name only O. Center part is O, down part is P, and this name is a R, and here is the Q. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. This is all important thing for us. What, my dear students? This is all important for us. So now I have writing here O is equal to center of the circle. Center of the circle. Then after, my dear students, OP, OQ and OR, it's all a radius. It's all a radius. What, my dear students? It's all a radius. Then after Q and R is the diameter. Understood? This is all things, and we have to note down. Now and then I again explain you, and then we will move on further. So now you note down in the book properly. Okay, you must be draw the circle with the use of rounder or scale, my dear students. Scale for making a straight line. So my dear students, this is a last lecture concept. We have to recall this all things, and then after we will move on further, my dear students. Understood? And then we will move on further, dear. How we draw and how we will draw how to draw a circle with a compass. So my dear students, this chapter shapes facing patterns. Okay, you hope all remember, and we have to write this in the book properly all here. Do fast, my dear students, and then we will move on further. Our next topic is how to draw circle with the compass. So we will move on further, my dear students. I hope you have done. Okay, and you must be note down this all things. O means this middle part, center of the circle. OP. Okay, now I all explain you here. See, this is here black line middle, whole middle line is called a diameter. See this here, black middle point to this line is called a diameter, and this black circle wall is called a circumference. It's a circumference, and this red line is the radius of this circle. Okay, and we have to measure the diameter. How we measure the diameter? We know this wall circle and this black line is the diameter. So by the using of scale, we can check the how many centimeter of the how many diameter of this centimeter, how many diameter of this circle we have to check, and we have to write in the centimeter. Then after we have to check the radius. How many centimeter? How long a radius? Means we have to measure the radius by the use of scale. Okay, so by the scale we can use radius. Means we have to measure, we have to check. We can check properly radius or diameter. Now, my dear students, see this is a circle. Okay, middle, center, we give the center O, we give the name of the circle O. Okay, this part is we give Q, R or P. The center of the circle O. Okay, now for the OP. So this O and P. See this O and P. Okay, O and P, O and Q, O and R is a radius or. Okay, how many radius? 3 radius. O P. O P, O Q, O and R, and now diameter. QR means here to here a full diameter. Okay, diameter of this circle is called a QR. So my points, my dear students, I hope you all have understood. So my dear students, I hope you have done, and then now we move on further. We have to construct. What is the meaning of construct? Construct means make. Okay, we have to make one circle with the help of the rounder or the compass, means geometry box. Okay, my dear students, so I hope you know, remember what is this? You know what is this in my hand, my dear students, and what is the use of this object or these things? Okay, this is a rounder. What, my dear students? Rounder is the compass and a geometrical instrument. What we call geometrical instrument. Okay, and we call the other name rounder. Rounder. Why we are given name of the rounder? Because of its used to making a round circle. Okay, that's why we give a rounder. Okay, how we will draw and how we draw the rounder. So step by step, here we are going to learn here. So our next topic is how to draw a circle with the help of compass. Or is a new topic, my dear. Okay, it's our new topic. For my dear students, it's how to draw a circle with the compass. So my point solved. So now we move further here. How many steps to solving this answers? The first of all, step number 1. Step number 1. Keep the metal point. Keep the metal point. Keep the metal point of the. Okay, so by mistake I got this not properly visible, so I am using this marker. Keep the metal point of the compass Okay, and fixed on the paper, on the book or paper, on paper. Okay, all. Then after the second point, means the second step, step number 2. Okay, my dear students, that time what we have to do? Step number 2. So what is the step number 2? Scratch means sketch. Sketch means what we draw. Sketch the arm of the compass. Of the compass that holds the pencil. Okay, my dear students, and then after now, third point. What is the third point? So let's check here. Step number 3, my dear. Moving the pencil. Moving the pencil arm around to keeping the metal arm fixed. Keeping the metal arm fixed. Okay, this is all steps from how to draw a circle with the compass. Now the further the distance from two arms from the radius the circle. So now you write it the 3 step and then we move on further here. You note down this all my dear students and then we will move on further how to draw. I'll show you. Okay. So what my dear students, keep the metal point of the compass fixed on the paper. Then scratch the arm of the compass that hold the pencil. And then for the step number 3, moving the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Okay, this is an easiest method and this is an easy step. Okay, and we have to memorize with this topic how to draw circle, and these 3 steps we have to memorize anyhow, and then keep the metal point of the compass fixed on the paper. Then after my dear students, step number 2, stretch the arm of the compass that hold the pencil. Then moving the pencil arm around, keeping the metal arm fixed. Got my point, my dear students, what I am telling you here? Okay, so note down all points, my dear students, quickly. You must be take a pencil, rounder, further, then we take or then we buy the. That time we are going to draw rounder circle. Okay. So dear, do faster my dear students. And then we will move on further dear. What I am telling you my dear students. So now here further we move on how to draw a compass. So my dear students, now we will start here. We start here the further how to draw circle. Okay. So now I will show you here. If you have a small rounder, so you can take it properly. Okay. Okay. So now with the metal point of the compass fixed on the paper. See. This is the metal point, my dear students. Is this a what? Metal point. Okay, this is the metal point, and here is one small arm in your rounder. I'll draw it proper shape of the rounder. Here I am going to draw the shape of the rounder. And then my dear students, I will explain you here wall. Okay. So dear, no need to draw with me because of you have a rounder. Okay, my dear students, see this is the rounder, and its rounder is the metal arm. What we call the metal arm. And what is this, my dear students? That hold the pencil. Okay, moving the pencil arm around the metal arm fixed. What my point, my dear students? It's the arm. Understood, my dear students? So note down this and try to draw it properly with the scale, with the help of the scale. With the help of scale dear. Okay. So my dear students, I explain you the all and whole. Step number 1, whole I explain you here. Step number 1, keep the middle point of the compass fixed on the paper. Means we have to draw the circle or round. So what we have to this metal points we have to fix on the paper. Okay, and here is the one arm, but it's not actually this arm. Okay, so here we can draw it properly. Okay, and stretch the arm of the compass, then to hold the pencil. So here we attach the pencil. Where we have to attach the pencil? Here we have to attach the pencil. See, this is part. We have to attach the pencil. Okay, we have to attach that pencil. We have to attach the pencil here properly, and then we fixed that. Then after this paper, and we fix the metal point here, and then here we hold the arm, and then step number 3, moving the pencil around the arms while keeping the metal. Means here we have to hold it properly, round it as like that. Okay, my dear students, otherwise just like that, we fix on paper and we will draw properly. Okay, here because of not any paper, see how we will draw as like that. Understood, my dear students? So is the how to draw a circle with the compass. But my point, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Then my dear students, we will move on further. Our next topic is what? Next topic is the distance between the distance between the two arms from the radius of the circle. Okay, means draw a geometrical shape. Means we have to use the scale. Means we have to what use? Means we have to use the circle. We have to use the compass rounder to making some different design, different patterns. I am going here, my dear students. Here, okay. So you have draw with me in your book, dear. So my dear, now here we are going to draw a further shape, but I am going to put as a down side. You must be use the rounder, okay, because of I don't have any pencil or paper, so that's why I am going to draw on my boards. Okay, dear. What you have to draw? We have to draw. Means we have to draw the big circle. Circle and circle. My points for my dear students. We have to use and we have to make good. My points, my dear students. We have to draw this. So now here we draw the one cat by the using of some other, means a part with the using of the compass. First of all, you make the one big circle, then small circle, and then after the small design you can give your by your hand properly. Put my points, my dear students. And then after now other patterns we have to make the circle with the free hand. Okay. You have a rounder, so you must be a make the as like that, my dear students. We are going to draw. That is the first geometrical diagram and is a second. So you note down this all, my dear students, and then we will move on further. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So my dear students, I will give you homework to try to a different as like a drawing on a base of the compass. Okay, if try to draw in your home and you try to make a geometrical shape, geometrical design. Understood? So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much all of you.